Okay, I'm sitting on the Brentwood Home Ojai mattress at the Sleep Sherpa store. I also have the other 3 mattresses from Brentwood Home. So we have the whole collection here. And I just want to walk you through the differences and similarities of all of them so you can make a better choice, find out which one's best for you. So I'm starting with the Ojai. This is their least expensive mattress. It is spring, latex, and foam. As you can see, it's hand tufted. Has a little bit more bounce than some of the others because it does have the latex in it. It does have a nice cooling tensile cover, so probably one of the more breathable of the 4 that they offer. This one in a queen size retails for about $1,200. Of course, there is a discount if you go on to sleepsherpa.com. But what you get is the base coil system of layer of latex, and then a few layers of foam, and then the New Zealand wool, which Brentwood is known for, and that serves as a fire barrier and for temperature regulation. Now moving on over to the Crystal Cove. The Crystal Cove is kind of like the next step up. What's unique about the Crystal Cove is that this is a dual firmness mattress. So right here we have the plush side of the Crystal Cove. A queen size retails for about $1,300 before discounts. And as you'll see, you don't really sink into this one as much, probably not even as much as the Ojai, because it is mostly just spring and latex. Now the firm side is, in my opinion, considerably firmer than the soft side. So if we were to flip this, you'd then get the soft side. So you really get 2 mattresses in one. And you'll notice the nice knitted cover. This was born out of the Crystal Cove meditation pillow, and that has really taken off. And so they've created a mattress sort of to line up with that. You can also buy regular Crystal Cove sleeping pillows to go along with this mattress. But again, you get the natural story, you get 2 firmness options, which makes it a much more versatile. You'll notice that all the Brentwood mattresses have hand-stitched handles, and that comes in, it's very convenient because this one you would need to flip, and so you just grab those handles, makes it much easier to do so. And then you can also, of course, rotate this mattress. So this is the Crystal Cove, the newest in the Brentwood lineup. And then moving on to the last of the mattresses with latex in it, this is their all-natural version. So this is the Brentwood Home Cedar. It's also the most expensive. So a queen size right now is about $2,000. Again, hand-stitched handles. What you get in this is coconut coir. You get the pocket coil system, and then you actually get 2 layers of latex. One of those layers is a zoned latex. So what it does is it can be softer and firmer in certain areas to level you out more evenly across the mattress. I would also say this is probably the firmest of the 3, of the 4 that Brentwood Home offers. It is hand tufted, it has an organic cotton cover, and then also the wool, and it has a good amount of organic cotton batting. So you get extra padding from the organic cotton. So again, $2,000, this is probably one of the heaviest. I'd say this and the Crystal Cove are the 2 heaviest of the lineup. Now moving on to what I consider to be the most popular of the line right now is the Oceano mattress. So a queen size Oceano is about $1,500 before discounts. This is hand tufted. This is a spring and foam mattress. So you get 2 layers of foam, 2 layers of spring. So you've got the base coil system, and then you have the mini coils resting just below the top layer of foam. And what that does is it provides a little bit more resiliency. So a lot of the hybrid mattresses that you see on the market are just spring and then foam. And what that does is it makes it feel a lot more like just a foam mattress that will sink in more because of the springs. But what this does with 2 layers of coils, it's going to feel more like a traditional bed, but you still get all the benefits of the foam. It's got the Belgian knit cover, hand tufted, comes in a box. All of the Brentwood products come in a box. All of the Brentwood Home mattresses are made in their factory in California, so they're factory direct. And I think that's why you get such good quality with Brentwood. The construction is amazing for the price point. The feel is extremely hard to replicate. And what we're finding in the Sleep Sherpa store is, especially the Oceano, has been a very popular mattress. So all of these come with a free 120-night trial, and you can get your money back if you don't like them. So more information on the Brentwood lineup, just head on over to sleepsherpa.com.